A cute family of birds. What's wrong with the daddy bird? Oh, the dad left. That's okay. Mama and baby bird will be just fine on their own. Who's that? Kind of unsure. Mom's really unsure. A new bird. A strange bird. Mama likes this bird for some reason. I like this bird. Mama's still kind of protective, but he's teaching me a whole lot. I call this bird Dad Bird, even though Mom says he's not really my dad bird. He still kind of acts like it. I like him like one too. Mom and Dad, Mom said I could call him that now, have taught me everything they could. Now they said, it's my time to fly.